Hey everybody and welcome. And I want to show you something about this. This is the Energizer Immersi, they used to call it Weather Ready, but now they're just Energizer. Wind up hand lights and whatnot forth. I had this for quite a while and I thought it was pretty good until this happened. I was just winding it up right now, after having it in my backpack for a while, and just winding it, normally winding it, not harsh or anything like that, just winding it like this, obviously with the stick, and it just went like that. Like flunk, it's gone. So yeah, thank you Energizer for a great product. I will definitely buy you again. Not.